Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today I'm going to have a walk around a 2018 Kia Stinger Limited. This is the 3.3 twin turbo version of the car. You can't get better. It is top of the line. Heads-up display, big sunroof, beautiful headlights, Brembo braking system, all-wheel drive, tons of horsepower with their V6 twin turbo. This will get you out there like a rocket and get you there safely as well. Has a great safety rating. Great looking vehicle, lots of nice lines. You've probably seen them on the road and wondered what they are. Kia Stinger introduced this car in 2018, and that's what this is. It is a demo. It has 1,600, just a little over 1,600 kilometers, so that's hardly anything. Beautiful tail on this vehicle. Love the LED lighting and the twin dual exhaust system. It is a power liftgate, but it is a hatchback style vehicle, so you can do a lot more with it than the regular sedan. Nice light tint, solar glass. It is alarmed, so you do have that. Backup camera. It is 360-degree camera. Cameras all around the vehicle, so you will have a bird's eye view of yourself as you're backing up with the backup sensors. Cross mitigation. It will warn you if somebody's coming towards your vehicle as you're backing up, so that's really a plus. Lots of room for passengers in the rear. I'll get to that shortly. Nice two-tone alloy wheels, those Brembo brakes, blind spot mitigation, lane keep assist, and warning, auto cruise control function. So if you're in cruise control, it will try to stop for you if you're not paying attention. These are gorgeous vehicles. If you've never come to a Kia dealership to take a look at one, probably this one would be the right one. This was $53,000 retail, and I think we're probably almost, it must be near $10,000 off the price of the vehicle as a demo 18. So really something you could save your money, sink your teeth into a beautiful car. I'm going to open up a door. So inside we have a large screen. I'll get to that shortly, but it has the seat memory, multi-function speakers all around, auto window drop downs, power windows, power mirrors, folding mirrors. They're anti-vandal mirrors, Napa leather. They're porous so that you can have them heated or cooled, so you can see the plastic still on the vehicle. Seats really, functionality is good. If you go in here, your blind spot detection, lane keep assist, power liftgate button. You have a power steering column, so tilt and telescopic is power, and in memory as well. Auto lighting and all sorts of goodies there. I'm sure for the people that know the Stinger, they're talking about how it feels and how it drives and just how it sounds. So I'm just going to start it up. I don't know if you'll hear anything on the inside because they do make them quite quiet. Turn that radio down. So this has 1,635 kilometers on it. It's just been used for, you know, showing people the car and letting them do a little test drive. Nothing crazy. Salesmen are always with them. It has lap timers and G-force. All sorts of features here. You can set how close you want the cruise control to function. Like in other words, how far away from a front car that you want to be at. So it has the radio AM FM Sirius satellite. It does have a navigation feature, but I have to put the card in. It does have this feature. I'm hoping that it folds in here. Pardon me, focuses in here. The Uvo System, so you can press a button and you can ask for assistance, emergency assistance, or even SOS here, and that's for police. It has garage door buttons. Just the strips just across here, they light up in the evening. The nice little round buttons here for your air. All the controls are relatively easy to sort out. You have a little place to put your phone down to charge. A bunch of USB features. Shifter handle's really nice. Electric park, so you don't forget your emergency brake. You just put it in drive and it turns off. Auto hold, when you come to a stop, the car will shut off. And then there's drive mode features here that you just turn the knob back and forth. Heated and cooled seats. And it has the view, so if you want to keep a look at what you're trailering behind you for a couple seconds as you drive away, you can. It has the heated steering. Let me just get into something else here. I'm going to change this drive mode button and just show you the screen what happens. So with this car, you have multifunction drive. So you have a sport, you have a comfort, an economy mode. There's a smart mode where the computer recognizes how you drive. It'll give you economy mode, sport mode, just depending on what you're doing with your drive. You know, like putting the gas down heavy, it's going to go into an auto sport mode. And then you can customize this feature as well. So you can change a few things on the vehicle to make it your own. We're just going to go back to normal. economy mode. I'm just going to walk around the back there and just show you that it's got a lot of room as well. So let me just shut that off for a moment. It does have 630 amp stereo system, so if you did, want to have some good beat in the car with the speakers surrounding and the subwoofers, it's going to sound really good. The subwoofers are under seat. It even enhances the drive to make it feel a little bit more sporty when you're just giving it some good go. So I'm just going to pop around back. So West Coast Kia, we're at 19950 Lougheed Highway. Easy to find, and he's heated seats in the rear as well. I put the seats down on purpose just to give you an idea of how much room and space there is in the back. So you have a lot of room there. I'm just going to lift them up, and then really comfortable seating back here for people that you'll be driving around. USB in the back, 12-volt air conditioning that you can aim at people, and a nice armrest here. And when you're actually in the car, in the back, you have a lot of legroom. Beautiful sunroof, by the way. Black materials on the top. I just want you to take a look at that from the back, what that looks like. I sit up a little high, so I feel like I'm part of the car. I don't feel like I'm sitting down in a hole. This is a 2018 Kia Stinger Premium. Sorry, just trying to find my way out of there. It's not that bad to get out. It's just I had the camera in hand. It's a gorgeous car. Come on down to West Coast Kia. Take a look at this Kia Stinger today.